In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steamid64, Steamid, Steamid3 for any Steam profile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to copy, and how to convert it into the formats most game servers and tools expect. This is handy for things like whitelists, admin tools, or troubleshooting multiplayer issues. Start by opening Steam, either in the desktop client or in a web browser at steamcommunity.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, go to your profile by clicking your username at the top and choosing View Profile. This takes you to the public profile page that has the address we need. Take a look at the address bar at the top. You're looking for a link that includes profiles followed by a long number. That long number is your Steamid64. It should be exactly 17 digits number. Highlight only the digits after profiles and copy them. Be careful to avoid extra characters like a trailing slash or anything after a question mark. If you see the number clearly, you're good to go. With that 17-digit number copied, head over to steamid.io in your browser. You'll see a search box on the home page. Paste the number you copied into that box. Then click Convert. In an instant, the site will display your identifiers in multiple formats. You'll see your original Steamid64, the classic Steamid format that looks like Steam0:1xxxxx, and the Steamid3 format that looks like U1xxxxx. These are the three most common representations used across games, servers, and moderation tools. If you're submitting your ID to a server admin, double-check which format they asked for. Many modern systems accept any of these formats, but some tools specifically want the classic Steamid or the Steamid3. It's a good idea to copy all three and keep them in a note for quick access later. Remember, the key step is always getting that 17-digit number from your profile URL and using a trusted converter like steamid.io to translate it into the other forms. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.